Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices ease nearly 1% in volatile trade on reports the US and Israel will try to restart talks on a possible ceasefire in Gaza. Brent futures and US WTI slipped 0.8%. The Nasdaq and the S&P 500 gained, driven by Tesla's positive earnings forecast and a decline in Treasury yields from a 3-month high, which buoyed market sentiment despite declines from some corporate results. Cardano is set to gain access to $1.3 trillion in Bitcoin liquidity for its decentralized finance ecosystem through a new integration with Bitcoin OS, a Bitcoin smart contract platform. The euro-dollar pair gained 0.4% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 2.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The pound dollar pair rose 0.4% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The US durable goods orders will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US non-defense capital goods orders at 12:30 GMT. Germany's IFO business climate at 8 GMT. Germany's IFO current assessment will be released at 8 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 19:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.